Good afternoon, traders from around the world. This is Daniel, and this is the view from my vantage point. I'm here to pose two questions to you. Number one, is the recent rally that we experienced in the markets today here to stay? And number two, is there a major correction on the horizon? Well, to answer those questions, I'm going to use a little bit of artificial intelligence. I'm going to use VantagePoint Trading Software, and we're going to take a little stroll down memory lane and go back to 2008. We're looking at over a year's worth of data from March of 2008 to June of 2009. And what we're looking for is whether or not VantagePoint indicated the major correction that happened in one of the worst trading times in recent history. So when you look at your screen, you can see that there's a blue line and a black line. When the blue line crosses below the black line, that's VantagePoint indicating the trend is expected to go down. So if you look here at the beginning of May, the blue line crossed below the black line. At that point, the S&P 500 lost 300 points. And then again, right here at the middle of your screen, about at the beginning of August, the blue line crossed below the black line. VantagePoint indicated a downtrend, and the S&P went from about 1,080 straight down to 500 points. Now you can see the indication is clear and easy to see in VantagePoint, and it wasn't just the S&P 500. The NASDAQ, we're looking at over a year worth of data from 2008 in the NASDAQ. And once again, the blue line crossed below the black line. If you're looking right here at the beginning of August, there was a good 10-day rally, and then the blue line crossed and indicated a downtrend coming, and the NASDAQ sold off and lost almost 1,000 points. The Dow, same situation. After a little rally, the blue line crossed below the black line here in May, and then again here in August, and the Dow lost almost 5,000 points. Now, this is the kind of information you need. If you're trying to answer the question of whether or not the rally is going to continue or a major correction is on the horizon, the best way to answer that is by utilizing artificial intelligence and utilizing VantagePoint Trading Software. If you want to protect yourself, now is the time.